To be able to use Luxe for Guide services, you must be invited by a department stores, a luxury houses, a brand or a boutique. If so, this invitation will be sent to you by email. To access to the platform, you must install Luxe for Guide mobile application on your smartphone. From your smartphone, go to your email inbox and open the mail called Luxe for Guide Information Your Registration. Go to your spam if you do not see this invitation on the inbox. In the body of the email, click on the button Download Mobile Application. You will then arrive on a page presenting the services proposed by Luxe for Guide. To install Luxe for Guide application on your smartphone, simply click on the Google Play button if you have an Android smartphone, on the App Store button if you have an iPhone, on APK if you do not have access to the previous two stores. Install Luxe for Guide application and open it. Now, just click on the Start button to start the registration process.